Traveling Herbalista here, and I am testing out or doing a review on the Empower Luci Light Outdoor Pro Series, 2.0 Pro Series. Love these. We have the regular ones that we carry and use when we hike, camp. They're waterproof, they float, they're just amazing. And every time that we purchase one of these, we're helping undeveloped countries. One goes to a country, one you purchase one and one goes to another country, and I just love that. I love products that are innovative, help the planet, help humanity, and this is one of those companies that does so, and that also carries an amazing product. So as you can see, this one has a two-way USB port. So they come flat, and you inflate them, and then you have the light itself. Here is the USB port. It's two-way. It comes with its own cord, so you can charge it in the car or on an electric outlet, or you can charge it with the sun, like connect it to your backpack with these straps, to a tree. You got another strap there at the bottom. It has an indicator of how much power you have, which is incredible. And then you also have 4 settings on this one. So you have bright, brighter, brightest, and then you have a blinking. Very impressed with this product. You can charge up, like I said, your cell phone or your iPod. Let me do that again so you can see that it is charging it real quick. You put that in there, and there you go, charging. Incredible. So I give this a 5-star. I give it more than 5-star. I mean, it's incredible. Can't stress that more. Its own cord. And it's priced very reasonably at $34.95. You can get it on our website or on eBay from us, travelingherbalista.com/store, and my blog is travelingherbalista.com. And just wanted to let you know that I do have affiliate links on some of my videos, so just want to make you aware of that. It gives us a small commission when we do this to help further the work that we do. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, Traveling Herbalista. Peace out.